Hello and welcome to Lucid Dream Mastery. In this video, we'll be sharing some expert tips and tricks to help you achieve and maximize your lucid dreaming experience. Lucid dreaming is the ability to become aware that you're dreaming while still in the dream state. It's a fascinating and powerful experience that can have a profound impact on your life. Tip number 1, preparing for lucid dreaming. Before you start your journey into lucid dreaming, it's important to prepare your mind and body. First, get into a regular sleep routine and establish good sleep hygiene habits. This includes setting a consistent bedtime, avoiding screens before bed, and reducing caffeine and alcohol consumption. After you stabilize your sleeping routine, it will be much easier to hit the right spots of sleep. The REM or repeat eye movement sleep is where the dreaming and the lucid dreaming occur. Tip number 2, reality checking. Start a reality testing habit. Make a habit of testing reality multiple times a day to get into the habit of questioning reality in a dream. This can be done by checking the time on a digital watch, looking for text that changes when you look away and back, or trying to push a finger through the palm of your other hand. This will help you recognize when you are in a dream. Tip number 3, getting enough sleep. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and maintain a consistent sleep schedule to increase the chances of having a lucid dream. A well-rested body and mind are more likely to have vivid and memorable dreams, including lucid dreams. Tip number 4, setting the intention. Set an intention for lucid dreaming. Before going to bed, set the intention to become aware that you're dreaming when you enter the dream state. This can be done through affirmations, visualization, or simply telling yourself that you will become aware in your dream. A clear intention before sleep can increase the likelihood of recognizing when you are in a dream. Tip number 5, dream journal. Keep a dream journal. Writing down your dreams every morning can increase your awareness of dream patterns and increase the likelihood of recognizing when you're in a dream. This can also help you become more aware of your dream signs, which are specific objects, people or events that are consistent across multiple dreams. Tip number 6, visualize a lucid dream. Visualize your lucid dream. Visualizing yourself having a lucid dream can increase your chances of actually having one. Visualize yourself becoming aware that you are dreaming, and experiencing control and freedom within the dream. Tip number 7, lucid dream triggers. Incorporate lucid dream triggers. Choose a personal trigger, such as spinning around, to help you become aware in a dream. Make the trigger a part of your daily routine, and incorporate it into your dreams as a reminder to reality test. Tip number 8, practice meditation. Meditation can increase mindfulness, reduce stress, and improve sleep, which can increase the likelihood of having a lucid dream. Regular meditation can help improve dream recall and increase dream vividness, making it easier to recognize when you are in a dream. Tip number 9, avoid stimulants. Avoid stimulants before bed. Caffeine, nicotine, and other stimulants can interfere with sleep and reduce the chances of having a lucid dream. These stimulants can disrupt the natural sleep cycle and lead to fragmented, unrefreshing sleep, making it more difficult to have vivid and memorable dreams. Tip number 10, avoid alcohol. Avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol can disrupt sleep and reduce the chances of having a lucid dream. Alcohol can lead to a deeper sleep in the first half of the night, but can also cause fragmented and unrefreshing sleep in the second half of the night, reducing the chances of having a lucid dream. Tip number 11, stay positive. Stay positive. Having a positive mindset and believing in the possibility of having a lucid dream can increase your chances of having one. A positive attitude towards lucid dreaming can help increase motivation, reduce anxiety, and lead to more vivid and memorable dreams, including lucid dreams. By following these tips and practicing regularly, you will increase your chances of having a successful lucid dream. Be mindful, and always maximizing your lucid dreaming experience. Once you've achieved lucidity, it's important to remember to make the most of the experience. Take control of the dream and explore your surroundings, face your fears, and tap into your creativity. You can also use lucid dreaming to work through any subconscious desires or anxieties. And don't be afraid to have fun and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching this video on lucid dreaming tips. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the science and techniques of lucid dreaming.